Hello, I am working on my March ginger quilter box subscription, and the quilt is called Bowdacious, and this was a quilt that Natalie designed from the ginger quilter. And we are going to, I'm turning everything on. Here we go. We're going to make just some of the basic blocks that are needed to make this. So the first thing we're going to do is in the instructions, we are going to create the bow. So I have my pieces, they are pre-cut. If you have, this fabric happens to be tossed, but if you have fabric that is directional, you do want to make sure that you are putting your flipping stitches in the direction you want to see your fabric. And so I just do this to check that. And then I'm just going to run these through. Of course, I've dropped one of them. Doing that. You can glue these down if you want in the corner. And here we go. And now I'm going to do the next one. These are super cute. And then you need the center of the bow. So this is the little piece for the center of the bow. I'll run those through. Put that through. And then you have, let me show you the pieces here. You have pieces, then these are my bows right here, my pile of bows. And then you're just going to follow in the instructions. And these are my pieces that are going to go down in the quilt. So let me grab. This is my leader and ender project I'm working on. Has nothing to do with the subscription box. I just run a leader and ender through. There we are. All right, so now I have my pieces to make my bow right here. And now we're just going to snip off, excuse me, I'm going to snip off these flipping stitches. Now I have these two that look like this, right? The beginnings of a bow. And we're going to stick our center in there. And our center, I like to press that in. So I press the centers in and these out. I just think it gives me a flatter seam. So I'm just going to come in here, and everything should match pretty well. And now we are opening this up, and we're going to press that. And look at that, isn't that so cute? I'm going to grab this other side. And I'm going to press this in just like I pressed this side, and press this side in. Just give it a little bit there. All right, there we are. And we have our beautiful bodacious bow. And then you would then just sew these 3 pieces together to get units like this. And that's all this quilt, that's all you need for the blocks for the quilt. It actually pieces pretty quickly. You could probably get this done confidently in a weekend. I will be doing a live on this, actually putting together the whole quilt. So hopefully you can catch that, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please don't forget, please like, subscribe, and share my channel, and let everyone know that I'm around, and I am what you call the person who gets her subscription boxes and finishes them. Take care. Bye-bye.